Your bird is sewn together, but it's inside out. We need to turn it right side out for step 7. You should have left an opening here. Hopefully you've got some good back stitching. We're going to reach in here and actually grab part of the bird to pull it out. Do so carefully so you don't stretch the bird or pop your stitching. Just keep working at it. And a bird is born. Okay? You have a wonderful triangle-shaped bird. I suggest taking either your marking pencil or your seam gauge and using the blunt end, come in and better press out some of these corners. Make them look a little bit crisper. Once you have turned your bird right side out and got all the corners out nice and well, it will look like this. Once it's turned right side out, you need to stuff your bird. Just take some fiberfill, tuck it in the crack of the bird, and fill it till it's full.